Yeah. So this whole AI thing on Windows 11, they're adding a AI image generator to MS Paint.
Hey,
So it's
actually,
yeah,
I'm actually quite interested in this.
it's
Having
quite good.
having AI, into Paint and because Paint is like my go-to photo edit.
It's
When you
actually
didn't want
man.
to, yeah, it's damn shit, but it gives people the laugh.
Yeah, but the thing is like you're professional if you can use MS Paint properly.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
It's like when the guy has super skill.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
It
but I mean this
too.
whole background removal stuff, right? Is available on your phone. It's you're bound to have it on Microsoft. Cause even like Mac OS has it natively.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I think it's about time that Windows 11 actually has it.
Yeah. So I think mostly it's just AI updates.
Mm.
As the more I read about it, it's more of like they have kind of like settled down with 11's stuff, but it's just that some of the old programs um has issue with Windows 11. So
Mm.
technically, it's not with Microsoft problem. It's the app or the game needs
App
to do the
developer.
update. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's one reason. Like that's one of the biggest issues I have with Adobe. They're damn shit with a lot of OS. Yeah, it's
Hey, you pay
horrible, man.
$1,000 per year.
Fuck, man, $1,000 a year for so
Uh,
just you're
uh,
paid for stress. You're paid for stress. It's like what the shit, man. It's like I'll probably like I'll send an email to Adobe like once a month complaining about stuff all the time. Yeah,
Did they
so
actually reply to you?
once in a very long while, whenever I threaten to cancel my subscription, then oh no, please do stay on. So there's a point of time where I was like paying $2 a month
What? $2 a
because I was like,
month?
no, fuck this shit. I'm gonna stop like using as that set out all the issues and all the programs I'm gonna substitute with, and then they were like, okay, then $2, please stay with us. I fuck it, okay, $2.
Crazy, man.